Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this very simple lily flower. To start off, take your square sheet of paper and fold it in half, diagonally, both ways. Now you're going to unfold, flip the square, and fold vertically, also in half. And now fold it from top to bottom. Now you're going to unfold, position it like that, grab the corners and bring them towards the bottom here. And after that, you're going to flatten the top. So it should look like something like that in the end. So now you're going to take one flap of paper and flatten it so that it looks like that. And as you do that, make sure that the center crease here is aligned with the center line at the bottom. And you're gonna repeat the same thing on all the 4 flaps. So we just did 1 of 4. Now we're gonna fold it in half and do it with the other one here. Now I'm going to turn over and do it with the other 2 ones. Here and here. So it should look something like that now. So now what you're going to do is position one side at the top like that and take the bottom sides and bring them towards the center line like that. Try and make the creases as even as you can. After you've done that, unfold, lift the paper here, fold the paper back, and you should have something like that at this point. So what you do now is make 2 additional creases here to fold it like that. And then you flatten. So it should look like something like that now. Again, what we just did is take the paper, lift it, bring the sides towards the center, and make 3 additional creases here, here, and here. So go something like that. Okay, and now you're going to repeat it on all 4 sides. Oh, and after you've done it, take that flap and fold it down as well. So, and you're gonna repeat the same thing on all the 4 sides. So now, doing the second thing. Here I'm skipping the first fold since it's sort of optional. It only serves to make a crease and use it afterwards, but you don't have to, like, you can sort of fold it like that. So here I'm just starting to fold it to the center right away. Okay, and the final fourth side here. Okay, so now we're gonna choose the side of the model that looks like that, and you're gonna place it so that the closed end is at the bottom. So as you can see, one end of the model, it can be opened and another one is closed. So that one on the bottom, place it like that, and you're gonna bring the sides towards the center, only one layer, like that. And you're going to repeat it on all the four sides. So you can do the back now. Now flip. And do the two other sides. Here and here. Okay, so you're almost done. Now you're gonna take your model, and all you have to do now is just shape the petals of your lily, and for that just take one layer of paper and curl it. You can use a pen if you'd like, but I prefer just using my fingers to create a more natural curve, like that, and you're going to repeat it with all the four petals. So now you're going to sort of and now the final one here. So this is your finished lily. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple yet beautiful tutorial, and see you guys next time.